Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool is right here, and basically what this is a laptop cooler stand. So basically put your laptop on top of the product, and the bottom layer has a bunch of fans to help you guys cool down the product. But the cool thing about this product that actually makes it different than a lot of other cooling fans is the fact that you can see inside right here, they have a removable iPhone holder or iPad holder, which is pretty awesome. So that way you can just put your phone on the side when you guys want to watch stuff or you guys want to stay up to date with your notifications or whatever. And for the one that we got right here is from the brand called Hiwings, and this is the F12. When you see the bottom right here, they tell you guys some of the features and specs that's on the product right here. So they mention how they have a dual USB. It has multi-angle when you guys adjust the product. It has a total of 6 fans on the product. And for the product, it has an adjustable wind speed option. And they mention how they have an anti-skid design for the product. So once you guys put your laptop on here, it prevents it from like sliding off. But we'll find out in a second to see whether or not that's actually true or not. And they mention how the product has a RGB light effect as well. But this is basically what the packaging looks like. But I'm actually opening up and show you guys what it actually looks like inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. Let me take everything out. So first thing you can see inside, they provide you guys a USB to USB cable. So use that to power on the device. And then right here we have the actual product. And this side we have the removable iPhone holder that I was talking about. And that is basically everything that's included in the package. So you see the product has a wrapper right here. Let me just take it out. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to use the product and show you guys all the different features that's on here as well. But right here we have the actual product. As you can see, there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these fans right here. And we turn in the back side, this is basically what it looks like right here. So the way how you guys use the product, you guys want to open up this part right here. And you guys adjust it however you guys want to. So you guys want it right here, or right here. You can adjust it based on your own preference. If you can see the inside layer right here, they definitely have each different slot for you guys to clip on the actual part right here. So like this part right here, you just want to clip it right here. So you guys want it right there, or you guys want it right there, or you guys want to higher right here, just like that. You just have to put it down on the table and you can start using the product. And I'll definitely show you guys another point of view in a second. But if you can see the bottom right here, here, and here, they definitely have the non-slip material. So that way you don't have to worry about the product moving around when you guys put it down on a flat surface. And in terms of the front part right here, they do have this little option for you guys to pull it out like this. And it also has a little padding here as well to protect the laptop when you guys put it on here. And when you guys are not using it, you can close it back up. And if you guys look throughout the product on the side right here, and also right here as well, they definitely have the lighting option right here for the RGB light that they mentioned, which is pretty cool. And then for the top part right here, you can see they have a power button to activate and turn off the product. Right here is the adjuster, so you can actually adjust like the brightness on here. And right here we have the 2 USB outputs that they mentioned, so you can use that to recharge your device. And you can also use this to charge another device at the same time if you guys want to. And for this product, they mentioned how it should be pretty quiet. But let me actually test that out to see whether actually it's true or not. So I'm gonna use my little power bank to test it out. Alright, so I'll plug in here first. And then the other side, I'm gonna plug it onto the actual product right here. Alright, so once we turn it on, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. So if you want to turn it off and on the product, you guys want to use this little switch right here. So that turns it off. And that turns it on. And that's on max. This is on low. If you guys want to use the RGB light on the side, you just have to push this button right here. If you can see it on the side, it lights up. And it automatically changes the color, so you guys can't actually control the color. But that's actually really cool if you can see. Alright, let's test out the dB on here. So I just want to turn it on. And we'll use the low setting to see how loud it is. Alright, so this is what it sounds like on the low setting. So it's roughly around like 50 to 55 if you can see. So it's definitely not under the 23 dB that I mentioned, but I don't think that's a huge issue. As long as the product works to help you guys cool down your laptop, then it definitely should be fine. But if noise is an issue for you guys, then that's definitely something to kind of consider when you guys purchase this product. If you guys want to use the other option right here to charge like your phone or something, you definitely can. So I'm actually test that out as well before we put it onto the table to actually show you guys a better view of the product in the darkness. Alright, so I'm gonna plug this side inside right here first, and then the other side I'm plug it onto my phone. Alright, so the product definitely does work as a charger, so you can definitely use it as a cooler fan, and also you can use it as a power bank to charge your stuff as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Then I'm actually put this down on the table and then turn off the light and everything to show you guys what it actually looks like when we fully set it up, and also show you guys what it actually looks like in the darkness. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we have the product all set up. You can see right here. And I also put this part in as well. So the way how we put this inside right here, you just have to slide it in right here. So I'm actually take it out to show you what I mean. Alright, so all you're gonna do is go like this and just slide it out. If you guys want to put it back in, just go like this and just slide it in. You can adjust it however you guys want to. So if you guys want it higher or lower, you can definitely move it back and forth. And then this slot right here, you can actually put like your iPad or iPhone or whatever. You guys can see that is basically what it looks like. And you can put it the other way if you guys want to as well. So if you guys want to go like that, you definitely can as well. So that way if you guys want to watch video on the side, or if you guys want to keep up to date with your notifications and everything, you can definitely do that as well. Let me actually put the laptop on top to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like. So the laptop that I got right here is a 16-inch. So you can definitely see the product fits just right when you actually put it on. And when we turn on the fan and the RGB light on the product, let me show you what it actually looks like. Alright. So you definitely see the fan in the bottom working, and you definitely hear the fan as well. But when you guys look at the RGB light, it actually looks really cool. And I really like the way how they designed this laptop cooler stand with the RGB light on the side. If you can see on the side right here, it fits just right, where you can see the RGB light on the side right here, which is pretty cool. But I'm actually turn off the light and pull down the shade to show you guys a better view of the product and what it actually looks like in the darkness. Alright, so when we turn off the light, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. It literally looks so cool, and I have to say that it actually looks a lot cooler in person. Let me actually move away the laptop and show you guys what it actually looks like underneath it. Alright, so when I remove the laptop, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. It definitely looks pretty awesome because it has the fans in the middle right here that lights up. But it also has the light in the side right here that is RGB light that changes color. But like I mentioned, it definitely has these 6 different fans right here. So that way it cools the whole entire laptop, and not just this part, this part, this part, and this part, but also the middle as well, which is pretty nice. But this is basically what the overall product looks like once you guys set it all up. You can definitely see it actually works really well to actually cool down the laptop. And on top of that, it has like the USB option to charge your other devices. And you guys also use the RGB light right here if you guys want to. If you don't want to use the RGB light, you can definitely turn it off as well, just like that. But honestly, I think the RGB light looks a lot cooler with it on. If you can see. So that is basically how you guys use the product in terms of everything that's on here for the USB, the RGB light, and cooling option on here. And also the phone option if you guys want to use the phone holder. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product, and definitely see it actually does work and works quite well. Super easy to use. I definitely love how there's 6 different fans on here. So not only are you guys just targeting on the side, like one right here, one right here, one right here, and one right here, but also targets like the middle part of the laptop as well. So that way the overall laptop is cooled, not just certain parts of it, which is pretty nice. I definitely love the different color options on here once you guys activate it. And also the fact of how it has the RGB light option as well. So that way you actually get double the light on here, which is pretty cool. So that way you actually get a cool experience when you guys use the product. And we see from the test the fact of how it has the side option where you can actually put on the removable phone holder or iPad holder. That's actually really cool as well. So that way if you guys want to look at your notification on the side when you guys are doing work or whatever, you can definitely do that on here. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a pretty awesome and high quality laptop cooler that also has like the USB option, the RGB light option, and also like a phone holder option. If you guys want everything that I mentioned, then this product is super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have just one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.